Got me falling right back.
Hello everybody, what's going on? It is Splitter back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the most overpowered workstation possible. So let's get right into it. So first you're going to want to go to digitalstorm.com. Then you're going to want to go to workstations. Alright, so as you can see, once we're here, it says World's Most Advanced Custom Workstation PCs. Once we go down here, we're going to see they have a mid tower, a small form factor, and then a full tower. Obviously, the full tower. You can see up to 56 processing cores, 512 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, which is RAM, which is kind of over the top if you ask me, but so we're going to go with this one to the most overpowered. And then we see it loads here, and then we're going to see all about the Aventum Pro workstation. And if you guys haven't noticed, my computer is a little bit slow. It's also 9 years old, so I am saving my money for a new laptop. Or a PC, I guess you could say, a Windows laptop. So. Sometimes it can take just a little while to load. Alright, so once we're here, it has all about it. You can see the overview, technology, specs, gallery, and reviews, but we're just going to go to buy now. So we're going to automatically all the way down to the bottom. Then you can select what processor or CPU you want. You can have a Core i9, Core i9, AMD Ryzen, Intel Core X series, and Intel Xeon, if I'm pronouncing it correct, series. So as you can see, this one is the most production CD best overall. View configs, just configurations. We're going to go to Ultimate to start off with. As you can see, it has 2 CPUs, but obviously within the configurator, as you can see, you can change anything you want for the most part. So let's just say this computer that I'm showing you guys, it's not necessary for the average person, but I mean, special offers. Even though it's not necessary, some people, at least for normal people, I guess you could say, for the average consumer, even a $32,000 computer is not a workstation, I should say. It's not ideal. And that's not ideal, it's just overkill. First, you can exterior finish. You can see with all these exotic paint finish, custom color. So obviously, of course, you can speak extra timely, but make the most expensive computer, right? So I mean, might as well go with this one. As you can see, it's multiple colors, not just one. Trim finish. There is no trim finishes. For some there are, but some there aren't. For example, the processor, the dual 56 cores, way overkill, but as you can see, there's all these other ones, but this one is the top one. So far it's at $32,950, but once you upgrade the motherboard isn't that much more, just because you can't really get much more out of a dual socket CPU, but the memory and GPU are where most of the price comes in. So as you can see, we're scrolling all the way down to 512 gigs of DDR4, 24 megahertz RAM. So in reality, you only need a max of 32, but I mean, why not, you know? As you can see, you can come here, and it looks like 1600 watts is actually the most overpowered supply unless, I guess you could technically add a second one, but in reality you wouldn't probably need one. Should be able to run. So I'm talking about guys in your computer. Oh yeah, there you go. For expansion bays, these are usually just, if I'm correct, Blu-ray players. So, or external USB card, but we don't really need those. This case has a lot. For optical drives, if I'm correct, these are, yeah, the external USB Blu-ray player driver. So, it's the DVD or Blu-ray player. And for storage set, for the storage set 1, which is obviously the SSD, because you usually want at least one SSD, just because they're faster than hard drives or HDDs. Because we're going to come all the way down to the most expensive one, obviously. We're going to go with this one right here, 4 terabytes. Not this one, because as you can see, this one's a PCIe card, which takes up 1 slot. There's only 4 slots for the GPUs. But for storage set number 3, we're going to put another either hard drive or SSD. We're going to storage set 2, just four, as you can see, 4 so 32 terabytes if I'm correct. RAID options, these are just complicated RAID options. You can change this RAID on, different performance, drive failure protection, 600, yeah. Like, you don't really need those, but they can be nice to have. Internet, network access, so whether you're using Ethernet or really wireless. As you can see, these are all PCIe. You can just save those for the GPUs. And then, you know what, it's crazy how cheap, I guess you'd say, or not cheap, how low end a graphics card there are, considering workstation that's already $32,000. Obviously, the real price, or a lot of money, is the RAM and the GPU, because those are usually the most expensive in any computer. As you can see, 4 GeForce RTX 2080 Ti's VR ready. So that's going to be $6,000. So sound card integrated HPC processor. I'm sure you can change this. Yeah, otherwise it's just other GPUs. So you don't technically need those. For extreme cooling, obviously, we can upgrade the cooling even a little bit more. That's $1,300 just for better cooling. But I suppose if you're cooling a machine this big and expensive, you're probably going to need all of that cooling with the copper tubing. And sometimes it will show that some are non-compatible. Not necessarily non-compatible, but you need to have this for this to work. For example, as you can see, we can change our colors here. So let's go for blue, and clear tubing. Let's see that works. Cable management. Obviously, you can add the cable management. So let's go for blue, just because blue color build. Airflow control. I'm pretty sure these are fan controls. Yeah, looks like the Commander Pro, which you basically compare for all your Corsair parts if you get a Corsair one. For internal lighting, that's your RGB lighting. I think it's not your fans. I think it's the remote controller and the RGB strips. Chassis mods. So looks like there's none for this one. Noise reduction. There is a noise reduction. I know. So just makes it a little bit quieter. The laser marking, obviously you can engrave something, but not for this one. So you can overclocking. I think it's only $50 to $100 more. Maybe not correct. Maybe that's just for a different brand. But obviously you can change your graphics boost. It looks like it's free for promotion at least. So obviously it'll make your CPU and GPU faster. Obviously OS boost, so that would be the operating system. Obviously, as you can see, for the operating system, can't get any better with the Windows 10 Professional 64-bit edition, obviously. And then we got recovery tools, virus protection, so looks like there's one built in with Windows 10. Antivirus, or yeah. Obviously, for example, I'm pretty sure with some games, or with some offers, you can get a game with it. But as you can see, this is probably the most overkill workstation. Look at this thing. $50,719. Like, who needs a workstation or even a computer just to start off with that? I mean, this is all top line here, top of the line motherboard graphics card. They're all overclocked, but like a lot of RAM, overkill RAM, in my opinion at least. Having 12 gigs or whatever. But I suppose you can probably get more storage.